Hi, good morning, everyone.
Segundo como vídeo.
Yeah, problem.
Hmm?
Okay, can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, yes,
Ramakrishna, Veera.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. See, before going for Microsoft Azure AI and what is the AI, let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Shekhar, having 17 years of experience in Microsoft technologies. Currently, I am working as a Azure architect on AI solutions. Okay. Yeah. Next. Before going for Microsoft Azure AI, just I want to let you know something about current IT infrastructure. Why should I go for AI? Okay, you know, right? What is the current IT infrastructure? What is the IT infrastructure? First thing, guys, IT infrastructure. IT infrastructure is nothing but collection of hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer. Is called current IT infrastructure. Am I right? What is the IT infrastructure? It is nothing but collection of hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer. Is called IT infrastructure. Okay. To maintain our own IT infrastructure, what do you require? Can anyone tell me? Uh, Assume that I have one company. Now I would like to manage my own IT infrastructure. So what do you require? Major thing is data center. Am I right, guys? Data center. So what does that mean? To maintain our own IT infrastructure, we require data center. Okay, so you know, right? Nowadays, each and every company they have their own data center. Like if you go for TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, any company, they had their own data center. Now, why? Why should I move to cloud computing? See, even though I had my own data center, why should I move to cloud computing? Here I would like to highlight point called how the data is transforming from on-premises to cloud. The moment data is there in cloud, how they are manipulating the data. Okay, that is the important point. Now coming to our point, so why, even though I have my own data center, why should I go for cloud computing? Why? Because one is operational cost excellence, guys. Operational cost in the sense, you know, right now operational cost is very high for everything. Okay, so what are the operational cost expenses? Let's see. First thing is, this is the IT infrastructure. IT infrastructure, like n number of devices all together communicated to switch. This is the load balancer, router, firewall, database, hardware system, server rack. To communicate all together, we have to manage a data center. What is the data center? Data center is a heart of the organization. Without data center, there is no organization in the world. As you said, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, all these companies, they had their own data centers. Okay. Now, why? What are the challenges are there to maintain one data center? See, to maintain data center, it is not a small task. We have to spend lot of time, lot of budget. Okay, budget in a sense like to design the data center or to construct the data center, we have to purchase the land and in configure and install and configure these data center. We have to spend lot of time, lot of budget. Okay, due to entire this cost and all, entire IT industry moving towards cloud computing. Okay, so what does it mean? Whatever the data you have directly, it is migrating into what? Cloud computing. Okay, if you go for cloud computing, you need not maintain your own data center. Okay, so you know, right, there are many challenges are there to maintain our own data center, like a manpower required, and every day we are getting one new technology into the market. If new technology came into the market, then existing hardware you have to replace it. To replace the entire hardware, we have to spend lot of time, lot of budget as well. Now everyone thinking about what? Budget, 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 budget. Am I right? Yeah. So assume that now AI came into the picture. Whatever the existing infrastructure for data center, it doesn't work. Again, they have to implement GPUs. Okay, according to that cable, switches, network, everything they have to change. Okay. Yeah. So these are the challenges are there to maintain our own data center. Due to that reason, entire IT industry moved to cloud computing. Okay, which cloud computing, that is different. We'll coming to that later. Okay, so what is the cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but collection of remote services and access them over the internet is called cloud computing. Now, trust me, 95% of organizations data already they have migrated into the cloud computing. Okay, if we consider Microsoft Azure AI, Microsoft Azure, Google, AWS, okay, entire world 60%, 60 to 70% of data, they are using these three cloud vendors only. 80% I can say. Okay, yeah, next. Now in the cloud, we have three types of cloud deployment models. I can say infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a services. When you go for infrastructure as a services, right? When you go for infrastructure as a services, they are providing the infrastructure, installation, configuration, management, that all you have to take care about it. Clear? Next, coming to the PaaS. What is the PaaS? They are providing ready-made infrastructure. I can say ready to use. In other words, we can say they are providing runtime platform. They are providing runtime platform. Now, most popular cloud deployment model is PaaS, guys. Okay. Now, all Azure AI services they are using PaaS itself. What is the PaaS? Platform as a services. They are providing everything. Okay. Just you need to deploy your application. Pass in a sense, just to remember, your mother prepared the food, all the items kept it on table. Now what we have to do? Just we have to go and eat it. How to eat it? That is depends on your requirement. Okay, will you eat it by using fork? Will you eat it by using your hand? Will you eat it by using some spoon or some other objects? That is depends on your requirement. Same way, now PaaS is very powerful. All Azure AI services they are providing as a platform as a services, guys, ready to use. Here, you need not worry about infrastructure part. What is the processor they are using, installation, configuration, management, update, scaling. Everything would be taken care by vendor. Just you need to deploy your application. What type of application? Depends on your requirement. Is it web-based, mobile, AI, agents, agentic AI, or some other services? That is totally your business requirement. Okay, that is about what PaaS. SaaS in a sense, software as a services. Software as a service means you know, right? M365 comes under software as a services. Clear? So these are the three cloud vendors are there to deploy your data into Azure cloud computing. Okay, yeah, next. Now data is transformed from on-premises to cloud. Now data is in cloud, then on top of it we can automate that, we can call it as AI, guys. Okay, best example, you people are using Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. So on an average, one person they are generating 1 GB data. Worst case. Assume that every day you are sharing some 2 to 3 reels with your colleagues, friends, relatives, and you are testing the messages through WhatsApp. Okay, you are taking some selfies and uploading into the cloud. Got it. Your images and all they are storing in the cloud, and you are speaking something and storing, recording. That is what data. So what does it mean? It is occupying some space, right? So all your data stored in cloud. Okay, cloud. If data is stored in the cloud, then I can go and implement what AI. What it does? AI, what it does? It will extract the useful information from the data is called AI. Okay, best example, assume that you are relevant to some XYZ party. I am relevant to some ABC political party. So you are sharing your party leader related images. I am sharing my party leader, what is that, images and all. So AI will analyze about total, what is that, whatever the data available, then it will predict it. Okay, particular XYZ leader can won this election. It is really nice, right? So where exactly we can implement AI? Not only one sector, I am giving one example. Now AI is spreading every corner of every corner in the world. Okay, people are thinking about it is affecting for AI. Okay, AI impact is there for every sector in the world, not only for our IT industry. Every sector means if you go for banking and finance sector, okay, retail industry, manufacturing domain, and automobile industry, okay, education industry, everywhere AI will go and sit on top of it. Okay, yeah, next. That is how I would like to let you know how the data is transforming. Okay, data is there previously in on-premises. Now it is moved to system on-premises. From system to what? Again, now cloud computing. Okay, now data in the cloud, yes, I can manipulate it. I can extract the useful insight from the data. That is called AI. Okay, fine. Now, what are the challenges are there? Currently we are facing for individuals and industries. For example, why should I go for AI? See, still my operations are going on, right, with seamless. Why should I implement AI? So if you are not implementing AI, okay, so there we required manpower is required to perform these activities. We require lot of manpower. Okay, trust me, if you go for bank SBI, will you have patience to wait like 1 hour or 2 hours to open your bank account? No, right? So if you implement in bank sector, yeah, already they are implementing. To open the bank account, max it will take 10 minutes. You need not to be visit the bank as well. So generally, if you open one bank account in SBI, we have to fill like 3 to 4 pages application form, attaching your photo or attaching your Aadhaar card, all address proofs. Again, you have to submit this form. That data entry guy enter all these details. Then the request will go to bank branch manager. The moment when you approve, your bank will be open the account. To activate it, it will take another 24 hours. Almost 1 week we are spending to open the bank account itself. So here lot of manpower is required, and it is wasting for your valuable time as well. So if you implement AI, nothing else required. The moment when you fill the form, submit it, then automatically trigger the workflow. It will extract the data from your application form. It will go and sit internal banking database. Then once the moment approved, what is that workflow is initiated, automatically it will check the details, approved. Within 10 minutes your bank account will be open. That is what I am saying. Okay, so that's why AI will go and sit on top of every sector. Okay, yeah, next, if we are what are the challenges are we are faced? Who are faced? Industries. You know, right, there is a labor shortage. Okay, you might have heard about it. If you go on every industry, for example, if you want to go for farming, there is a labor shortage. We cannot do the business. People used to commonly will tell. Okay, if labor also there is a operational cost is very high. Operational cost means if you assign for 5 to 6 workers, every day you have to spend 1,000 rupees, per day 6,000, per month 2 lakhs rupees. If there is no that profit, will you able to run the business? No, right? Within 2 to 3 months we have to close it, right? So that is what labor shortage. Now too much data. See, now in the market, data is everywhere. Okay, you know, right? WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, some other site, emails, OneDrive, Google Drive. Okay, you watching YouTube videos and all. So data is everywhere. Now, how we can manipulate and extract the useful insight? That is the big challenge, right? For example, if I ask you, hey, please provide very good videos that are related to AI, it is very difficult for you. Am I right? You have to go and search it, okay, and give them some different words. If we give one word, it will give one part of video. If we give another words, it will give another part of video. To merge it and all, it is time consuming process. Okay, yeah, next, customer expectation. It is always true. Nowadays, customer expectations are exceeding, right, day to day. So exceeding customer expectation in the sense, what does it mean? As I said, okay, customer always would like to spend low money and expecting high quality. So to perform these kind of action plans and all, we have to implement AI. Cyber security attacks. Okay, so AI will protect some from cyber security attacks and all. It will detect anomaly detections. Okay, it will previously itself it will identify what is happening and all. That all it will display threats. Okay, next, operational inefficiencies. This is big challenge organization they are facing. Now you know, right? AI came into the picture. Okay, so team should upgrade along with the AI capabilities, right? So now market is looking for whoever is no AI. They are high talent people. They are ready to pay for one core as well. That package. Okay, so that what operational inefficiencies. Next, regularity complaints. Okay, now to maintain the complaints without human error, it is very difficult. Okay, recently my colleague, my friend, my village friend, he is working in SBI. Okay, in Nellore branch. What he did now, instead of typing 3, they typed 8. Then the funds is transferred to one of the guy in Kolkata, 3 lakhs amount. They did not return back. Okay, so if they care about file the case and all, yeah, don't care. You whatever you want, you can do that. That is what he has informed. That funds whoever is received. So what happened? Finally, he spent the amount 3 lakhs from his pocket. So this is the human error. The moment when you done the human error, it is very difficult. Am I right? To retrieve that, roll back it those changes and all. So this is currently challenges which are facing by industries. Here industries means it will count for everything like healthcare domain, okay, finance sector, banking sector, manufacturing domain, automobile industry, healthcare domain, everywhere. Okay, yeah, next. So what are the we are individuals facing the challenges? You know, right? Job security, information overloaded, mental health being limited. What is that? Access services center. So these are all the individuals that we are facing. Okay, yeah. So to avoid and all, you have to upgrade your skills for individuals. I am telling. Okay, yeah, next. Now, why should I go for AI? Why should I go for AI? That's what I said. Reasons, guys. Now, customer expectations are high. Okay, now they are expecting for speed within the time limits you should reach the destination. Within time limits you should deliver the deliverables. Okay, so that is about what, in order to achieve these things we must and should implement AI. See, why should I go for AI? You should go for AI, artificial intelligence, because it helps to resolve real what is that, real world challenges faced by industries and individuals today. AI improves speed, accuracy, productivity, decision making while reducing manual effort and human error. So human error, I said, right? Same thing, guys. Okay, this is about what? Why should I go for AI? To improve the speed, to improve the accuracy, okay, to improve the decision making, to avoid human errors. 100% people must and you should implement AI. Okay, yeah, next. Now, you should go for artificial intelligence because where it will help you to solve the complex problems, make smarter decision. Make smarter decision means, trust me, you can give your location. Assume that you would like to start one food court business. It will give the analysis. Okay. What is the cloud in that area? How many villages are there in surroundings? Will you able to sustain? You will get the minimal profit or maximum profit. It will analyze, okay, for entire year. It will provide the prediction, guys. Use ChatGPT, not for free trial and all. Purchase it and try it out. It will give the information. Okay, yeah, next, it will save the time and reduce manual work, improve accuracy and reduce human errors. Okay, stay ahead your job, business and industry. Okay, so this will help you, what is that, to perform all these actions. Okay, AI will help you to perform all these actions, right? Yeah, next, this is another thing I have provided, like why should I move to AI? You know, right? Speed and accuracy. Okay, 24 by 7 operations. People will think that I am doing night shifts and all. Going forward, there is no more night shift. It will be replaced by What is that? AI. You know, right? 1 week back, not 1 week, 15 days, Microsoft entire sales department replaced by AI. They have announced 9,000 employees layoff, right? Okay, they have planned to replace with AI. Okay, most of the people sales and Xbox gaming applications, okay, and the customer care and all kind of employees mostly they affected. Okay, all sectors it got affected, but mostly impacted sectors I am telling. All right, so what does that mean? People, I am the assume that I am working in night shift. After 12 o'clock, I may feel sleepy. I may not provide the productivity, right? We are humans, not machines, right? So in order to avoid what is that, increase the productivity, in order to avoid the human errors and all, AI will perform the productivity. AI will perform correct actions. Okay, it will provide the 100% productivity for customers. Okay, next another thing is cost saving. See guys, nowadays whatever technology coming to the market, always it is save the cost for business people. Okay, see, automate the tasks, reduce the labor cost. Next, personalization, products for individual users. Better decision making. See, predictive analysis help make driven data. Competitive advantages. Early AI adapter gaining big edge, guys. Okay, where exactly we will go for AI. What are the advantages of the AI, guys? Already I said, right? Automation, customer support, predictive analysis, image and speech recognition, natural processing, and data analysis. These are all automation we can implement. Automation, it will go implement everywhere. On top of it, AI will play crucial role, guys. Okay, so these are the advantages of AI. Advantage of AI is very simple. Reduce the cost, reduce the labor work, 24/7 support. It will provide the predictive analysis with 100% accuracy. Okay, data analysis and these all sectors providing the 100% productivity. So if you implement, operational cost automatically will come down. Trust me, earlier like 10 years back, when I was entering to IT industry, I can say 15 years back. So to build one Windows server itself, it will take 15 days. To build one Windows server, it will take 15 days. After Azure came into the picture, cloud computing came into the picture, to build one server, it will take 2 minutes. Where is 15 days? Where is 2 minutes? Okay, even before 10 years back, to build one Windows server, we required 15 days, as he said. For 15 days, we required a lot of manpower. Manpower means Windows engineer, okay, network engineer, firewall team, monitoring team, data center team, storage team, and application deployment team, and monitoring team, automation team. Around 10 teams are there to accomplish your work. Now to create the server itself, it is taking 2 minutes. To deploy the application max, it will take 5 minutes. Within 7 minutes, your application is ready. So here operational cost is reduced for business users, right? Where is 15 days, where is 2 minutes? Am I right? Yeah, so that is where exactly cost is saving, guys. That is where exactly cost is saving by IT sector and business people. Now, if I'm not going for AI, what will happen? Nothing will happen. You have to spend lot of time, lot of budget to perform each and every activity manually, guys. See, more manual work is required. Okay, slower problem resolving. Okay, limited creativity and efficiency, higher workload and cost. Okay, higher workload and cost in the sense, automatically when there is a manpower, obviously we have to spend lot of time, lot of budget. Okay, next, we can use AI to automate the task, to get accurate answers, enhance creativity. Enhance creativity means, you know, right? RGV, Ram Gopal Verma, they said, uh, AI is generating new songs based on existing songs. He is given one interview recently, like 1 month back. He requested AI to create a one song on mathematical functions. Okay. AI has been created by singing only mathematical songs. They have created. It is created by AI itself. So what does that mean? To enhance creativity, AI is created that song within fraction of 5 minutes. If we want to do manual work, we have to allocate some manual manpower. We have to allocate some music system. We have to assign for infrastructure everything. But without that, they are using what? They are generating the video, okay, with required sentences. It is generated beautiful video. So what does that mean? They are saving the cost. Improve decision making, learn and explore new ideas. Okay, explore new ideas means where exactly Gen AI came into the picture. Generative AI. Generate new content, generate new videos, generate new coding part, generate new audio files. Okay, where exactly Gen AI came into the picture. Now you tell me what is the AI. As of now, I have discussed about why should I go for AI. If I am not going for AI, what are the disadvantages? Okay, what are the operational costs? That all we have discussed about it. Now you tell me what is the AI. What is the AI, guys? Anyone? Very simple. AI which simulates act as a like a human is called AI. Okay, what human is doing, AI is doing 90%. Simply we can say. Okay, so what does that mean? Which simulates, what is that? Which simulates act as a like a human is called artificial intelligence. Okay, see, it is simple one word definition is AI is what? AI, it will enable the machines think, learn and act as a like a human is called artificial intelligence. Okay, this is the architecture. What is that? This is the architecture. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. Okay, machine learning is a subset of AI. Deep learning subset of ML. Gen AI is subset of what? Deep learning. Okay, yeah, this is about what? AI architecture. Now there are two types of AI, guys. One is narrow AI, other one is what? General AI. There are two types of AI, narrow AI, general AI. Narrow AI also we can call it as weak AI. Narrow AI also we can call it as weak AI. General AI also we can call it as strong AI. Okay, strong AI. So if you observe, we can perform intellectual task what human can do. General AI, we can do what intellectual task it can do. That is what human can do, guys. Automatically AI is doing what human is doing. That is what that sentence meaning. Okay, these are two types of AI. Next, now see guys, this is the Twitter. I track it from what is that Twitter. This feed, this screenshot. You know, right? In the year 2020 COVID period, our Telangana DGP, they have implemented what is that Uh, AI, guys. See, this is the AI based. So I track it May 8th, 2020. What is that they have posted? Face mask violation enforcement. You know, right? During COVID period, if you are roaming without wearing the mask, they have imposed the 100 rupees fine. I'm not sure how many of you paid. Okay, they have paid, guys. If you are driving in the bike, okay, without wearing the mask and all, they put like 100 rupees that time. Okay, is being rolled out by TS police leveraging computer vision and deep learning technique being implemented in surveillance. You may have queried that how they can impose it. So they have implemented this AI functionality in CC cameras. In CC cameras, if any person, any human, okay, they are performing the action without wearing the mask, so the cameras are identifying and automatically they are what is that putting the fines. Okay, so this is the first of kind of in India, shall be enabled shortly across these three commissionated, that is Hyderabad, Cyber, RCK, some extensions. So this is about what that time itself they started implementing AI. Okay, yeah, next. So, where exactly we can use AI? I can say every sector they are using AI, guys. There is no, what is that? Negotiable sector where we cannot implement AI. Okay, going forward, it will come in farming as well. They will implement. See, what are the, where exactly we are implementing? Healthcare domain, finance, retail, like automobile industry, education, marketing, entertainment. Okay, they are implementing AI. Next, what are the benefits of AI? Very simple, guys. I can say first step, you can say cost saving. Second step, decision making faster. Provide at 100% productivity. Fourth one, less cost and less time. Okay, these are the benefits of AI. Blindly, you can remember it. See, this is the one. Automation, accuracy, faster decision, personalization, cost saving. Okay, yeah, next. What is the future of AI? Okay, this is the future of AI. Growbers will be replaced going forward. Okay, trust me, for example, you would like to share your sadness with your friends, colleagues. Okay, really, there is no other people to listen your problems and all. Am I right? Okay, if you say your problems one day, I can listen. Second day, even I have 100 problems than more than you. I do not have the time to listen your problems. That is what. Am I right? So going forward, you people have to express your emotions and all with AI only. Clear? So this is about what? Future of AI. They will assist you like a personal assistant. Okay, yeah, that is will happen in future. Now, what is that? See, AI for personal assistance, human AI collaboration, advanced medical AI. Microsoft recently they have developed the app. They are saying that it is 100% better performance than doctor. Now, self-learning AI. This is what ethical AI. So these all AI is evaluating rapidly and future maybe include these are the sectors. Next, okay, so why should I go for Microsoft? You know, right? There are three popular AI vendors are there. One is Microsoft Azure AI. Other one is what? Google. Microsoft competitor Google, guys. For especially in AI. Okay, Google Gemini AI. Okay, third one is what? You can say AWS AI. Okay, AWS, they did not come up with their own products, anything. They are using small models they came up with and using the other models. Okay, Microsoft Copilot is revolution. I need not say Copilot is a revolution. Almost 100% all companies they are implementing Copilot. Okay, going forward, your performance evaluation will happen based on Copilot AI itself, not by manager. You know, right? Generally, to be frank, you are my manager. If both together visit 2 to 3 times bar and restaurant in some places, then what is that? There is a bonding between you and me, so that I can provide better hikes. Okay, I can save you some other activities and all. It can happen. Going forward, it is replacing by AI itself. You know, Microsoft, Google, AWS, they are evaluating your performance based on AI only. Okay, in these companies, your job is not with managers, your job with AI. AI is giving entire analysis whether this guy can be lay off or we can stay it in team. Okay, AI will decide your job, not in what is that managers and all. That's why they are coming with different strategy. Some companies will say to migrate the AI we are laying off. Okay, so some people will say because of performance we are laying off you. So they are coming with different strategy. Okay, so according to that they are implementing. Now let it be. Now I would like to explain about why should I go for Microsoft Azure AI. What is the Microsoft Azure AI? That is the first question. What is the Microsoft Azure AI, guys? Azure AI is a Microsoft comprehensive cloud platform. Simple words I can say. Microsoft Azure AI is a what? Comprehensive cloud platform where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the AI application is called Microsoft Azure AI. Clear? Okay, yeah. So what is the Microsoft Azure AI, guys? Azure AI is a comprehensive cloud-based integration design to build, deploy, manage AI application is called, what is that? Microsoft Azure AI. Now, this is the another definition I have targeted. See, what is the Microsoft AI? It is the Microsoft cloud-based artificial intelligence service. Okay, that is providing tools, models, infrastructure to help business and developers build, deploy, scale your AI applications. Okay, what are the features of AI? It is the pre-built AI services. What is that? It is the pre-built AI services. They came up with multiple AI models which can directly integrated with your application. For example, Microsoft has launched many models for healthcare domains. Assume that you are the owner of, what is that? Apollo Hospital. Now, if you implement that model, then we can access very good insight from the data. Okay, it will act as a like assistant for doctors, nurses, and all. Okay, custom AI model. If something it is not achieved our business requirement, you can go on modify that model and implement it. Okay, so like machine learning. Next, scalability. See, based on the demand backend infrastructure, automatically it will scale up. Integration. Microsoft, they are integrating with each and every product of Microsoft. Okay, security and complaints. First priority, what is that? Where is the security for user data? Okay, if you are able to provide the security for user data, yes, we are secure, right? So that is what Microsoft always it will provide enterprise grade security for your AI applications. Next, these are the major components of OpenAI and Azure Cognitive Services. You know, right? There is a strong collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI. Okay, so whatever OpenAI, they are both together developing the models. Microsoft directly can integrate with their products. Okay, so why? Because both together they are developing combinedly the services, guys. Apart from that, Microsoft came up with their own models, vision, speech, language, decision making services. Okay, yeah. Next, these are the benefits of Microsoft Azure AI. Okay, you know, right? Microsoft will have Windows servers, browsers, and Azure product, M365 components, Fabric, Microsoft Office tools like PPT, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, OneDrive, Exchange server. All these components they can integrate directly with seamless. Okay, that's what seamless integration with Microsoft product. See, deep integration with the broader Microsoft ecosystems including Office 365. Now it is M365, Power BI and seamless workflows, guys. Scalable and secure infrastructure. We can encrypt the infrastructure as well. Okay, accessible the tools. Okay, you can, you know, right? Microsoft Copilot, they have integrated each and every tool of Microsoft. Okay, responsibility of AI. So principle and privacy, transparency, fairness, and promoting ethical and trustworthy AI solutions. Ethical means it will show you empathy and sympathy, guys. Best example. See, I will go for one. I will open Copilot. Let's see how it will work. Copilot.microsoft.com. Okay, I am not happy. Okay, if I hit enter, let's see what is the issue. See, it is saying that like acting as a like human. Hey, I am really sorry feeling that, yeah, Dhanshekar. You don't have carry that feelings alone. Here I am help you to do that. If I tell you, hey, I am not happy, what generally will say, even I am not happy. then both together will go for bar, right? So same way, like it is saying that what? I am not really so, I am really sorry you are feeling that way. Here, let me know how I can help you. If I say I need money, then you say, I hear you. You definitely not alone that. That is the good news. You are looking for good skills and all. It is suggesting to learn these skills, then you can earn the money. That is what they are saying. Freelancer, out online tutoring, what is that? Build and sell the tools. Okay, artificial intelligence marketing, content writing, dropping on digital products. They are giving the suggestion to earn the money. Okay, see, yeah. So what is that? DevApp starts that into opportunity. Many things that is giving. It is not saying directly go and fight with someone and rob the money. Am I right? It is nice, right? That is about what? They are following some ethics. Clear? Yeah. Next, AI system architecture. This is the AI system architecture. Okay, data input and processing, model and training, and inferences and decision making, and feedback loops, guys. Okay, so this is the architecture of AI. You have to give the input, data will be processed, model will be applied based on your data. For example, I should evaluate your performance. I cannot go and deploy my model on top of your Facebook ID, right? I have to implement the model in your work location. So same way, if you implement the model, what is the best model? It will identify and deploy it. That will be taken care by Microsoft automatically. This is the beautiful feature. Clear? Yeah, next. Now, here these are the important components of what is that? AI, machine learning, Azure infrastructure. These are the key components. Next, where exactly AI can be, Azure AI can be used, chatbot virtual assistants, image and video analysis, speech recognition, predictive analysis, and healthcare domains, guys. Okay, next. These are the what is that? Configuration they are providing, seamless integration with Microsoft and all. And these are the cost effective where we can save the cost. And this is about what? Why should I use Microsoft Azure AI? Coming to the infrastructure, okay, you know, right? You might have heard about CPU. Next version is GPU. Okay, next advanced version is TPU, guys. So CPU, this is the legacy. If you want to implement AI, you should use GPU, graphical process unit. Or you can go for TPU, this is the high cost. We have to spend total amount from your pocket. But speed and features are same way, guys. See, TPU is a tensor processing unit. It is specialized for accelerator chip designed by Google. Okay, yeah, for machine learning and all. So this is the difference between CPU, GPU, TPU. Okay, see, CPU, general process, lower parallelism, low and standard applications. Go for TPU, AI ML workloads, optimize the metrics, high and the deep learning models, NLP, AI supervising computing, guys. This is the overview of Microsoft Azure AI. What is the AI? What are the advantages of the AI? And if I not go for AI, what will happen? And what is the Microsoft Azure AI? Why should I choose only Microsoft AI instead of other AIs? And these are what we have discussed. Okay, so I am going to cover here AI 900. Okay, and 102. AI 102, guys. These two papers I will cover. Then you will become as a Azure AI engineer. Okay, you can build, deploy, manage, and deploy the application in Azure AI Cloud Platform. So what are the topics which I am going to cover? Okay, I will explain it in tomorrow's session. According to that, we will proceed. So basic Python is mandatory. If you say, hey, no, I don't like development. Okay, I need only manual, I need to do and all. It is very difficult, guys. Okay, basic Python is required that I will cover here. Okay, and why? Because you should know there is a AI application to integrate with your application. Python is required. Okay, it is mandatory, guys. I am not saying it is optional. Why? Because tomorrow, if you join as a AI administrator as well, If something they are facing the issue, if you don't understand basic of what is that uh, Python scripting and all, you cannot identify the solution, you cannot provide the solution as well. Okay, that is mandatory. Whoever say no Python required and all, that is what is that? Not good statement. I know I am working as an architect since 15 years. So basic Python is required. Even though if you go for administrator job, people will say like for minimum PowerShell scripting, Terraform required, right? They are development tasks. They won't ask you develop them from scratch. At least if your issue is coming, then at least you should able to provide the solution, not exact solution, at least ideas. Okay, so basic Python is mandatory. I don't say like it's a optional. I will cover basic Python, then I will show you how to integrate these AI services with our application, how we can develop our own AI application, agents, agentic AI, machine learning models, how to deploy and get the insight from the uh, data. So that all we will cover it in next session one by one. So these all overview. If you have any questions, feel free and ask me. Any queries, any doubts? I hope it is useful. Jay, Anna, Ramkrishna, Veera. Come on, guys.
Yeah, yes, sir. It's
Yeah. Okay, thanks for your time. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.
yeah, thank you.
Thank you.